Hello guys, I hope everyone is good. So yeah, this will be the first tutorial on Gmain 30. So guys, basically according to how I'm seeing everything, I just start from the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame is to just check where the market might be heading while we are scalping, right? So right now let me check my weekly. Okay, on my weekly, I can just like simply start by what? I can just simply start by checking my zones. The last time the market bought, it's on this level. The last time the market sold, it's on this level, right? And then I can have what? A trend line in between from the last time the market bought to the last time the market sold, or vice versa, right? Okay, I see. So right now what I'm seeing is that the market on my weekly did what? It broke the trend line, and it has been going up consistently, so right, and it's showing us where it's on an uptrend. Solid. So now let's mark our zones. The first one is what? Let me just use my horizontal lines so we can always remember the, I think you can see there, we are having a zone. I think it's this one, as you can see. It's this proper zone there, which is a very great zone. We can call it a market station because it's the, that's where we got most, what you call, reversals and stuff. And then again, we can have what? We can have it, we can have another zone there. It's a market station too, because the market reversed and broke out and did the things there. And then again, we can have another zone where we can have another zone there. You see, there we can have another zone. I think you can see, Hori, it's still what? That's still a market station. Market station, it's a level where the market, it's most likely to reverse, retest, or do whatever. Now let's come to daily. Daily, we are only saying go daily. We check it. The market has been on a strong uptrend. What's happening? The market, you better get impulse. After an impulse, what are you getting? After an impulse, you're gonna get a beautiful. You're just going to get a beautiful what you call, a beautiful correction. After a beautiful correction, you measure your impulse from here. You must get the same impulse, right? So we can know, hurry, when are we expecting another correction. This one started here, ne? Right? Meaning, hurry, even this one we are catering for right now must be equal as what? As this one, which is something, it has helped me a lot, guys. It has like really helped me a lot. So right now, according to me, guys, according to me, I think you can see that the market is still needs to go up, right? So yeah, now on our daily we saw, okay, it's an impulse correction. So now let's come to my 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame meaning we are now planning to trade for now, right? Like these are the trades that you are willing to take. On my 4-hour still, I see where the market is currently on some box here. We are on a box. The market has been consolidating there and there. I think you can see where the market has been playing around there and there. But then we know the rules. If the market breaks above the box, you're going to get what? A bullish breaker block, and then the market eventually is going to shoot up. But then as it's playing, the market can still like just play around this box up until it decides to do the things, right? But then we've analyzed everything. We saw how the market is. We've been seeing it. Now it's time to apply which I think we've learned: support and resistance. I think here we have what support and resistance structure. Where our resistance tend to a support, right? And then here we can just have what we call our support. You understand? That's our support to, our resistance there. What's happening on a resistance? The market is selling. Let me delete this for now. The market is selling. 1 hour. 1 hour. Now we've arrived on 1 hour. Still you apply your BMM strategy. The last time the market bought. When was the last time the market bought? Take note, guys. I want you to see how BMM strategy works. The last time the market bought, it's here. right? So far so good. Ebile re ke colorishe not a weekly man, re colorishe box le laka mantlhalwanya, so we can like we can see hore ke beta bjang beno. So basically we can have a clear view of what's happening, right? So this is the last time the market did what? The last time the market bought. So far so good. The last time the market bought. And when was the last time the market sold? The last time the market currently sold, it's up there, which is what we are currently facing. So now I go 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Do you have a trend line between the last time the market bought and the last time the market sold? Okay, we can insert that. It's not an issue. You have your trend line there. You see your trend line. Now what was happening? The market was just playing like above this trend line. Look at now, it broke the trend line and went for a retest. So here's the thing, ne? The market has a high chance of doing what? Of dropping. Since what? Since it broke this trend line. But then take note, since you are dealing with indices, we are having this particular thing here, you know, where the market consolidated, where the market was closed. You get me? So if the market breaks below, that means it's a sell. But then for now, you can still anticipate what? Anticipate your buys, right? The market can still choose to do what? The market can still choose to play around here. The market can still choose to play around, you know. You can scalp there, you make your money up until when? Up until the market decides, or no, I'm party, I'm going to break below. After breaking below, it's gonna say, okay, let me go and kiss it for the last time. After kissing that level for the last time, then it can do what? It can now distribute your shandis to the downside, and then you charge the profits. You understand? Take note, guys. I don't like trade using higher time frames. I enter on my 15 minutes. From 15 minutes, I'm going to 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I'm looking for what? Candlestick formation. What's happening? I think on these candlesticks, you can see where now there's a lot of confusion. You are getting a pin bar for, I don't know, for an uptrend. You are getting a pin bar for a downtrend. You don't know exactly what's happening. There's a lot of spikes up until you can get a clear movement of the market. There we go. Ashile, is it a clear breakout? Let's wait for it. These are indices. So now, guys, this is how I just do it, right? So it's it's about time that we now trade and see how the market will play with us today. Nonetheless, it is your boy Ivyson, and I'm out.